I think I can honestly say that Juvia'S Place packaging for the mystery boxes are all fluff and no stuff.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Hey, Julia here, and I've got my March mystery box from Juvia'S Place, ready to open it up and show you the goodies inside. But I want to just say, Juvia'S Place, are you listening? Crickets. I know they're not listening. I know they don't know about me doing the unboxings of their mystery box. But guys, I got a box from Beautylish this week. And yes, it comes in a simple brown box. And when you open it up, look at it. You get another little box inside that says Beautylish. And it's not thick or anything. It's just a light cardboard, and it's not even a complete box if you want to be honest, because it's just a wraparound for your product with paper inside and your invoice. And they did throw in a couple of samples. But the presentation, it's all about the presentation. And don't get me wrong, Juvia'S Place products, you know, they have the best graphics and so colorful and beautiful. But can't they spiff up the boxes? Can't they give us something, some stuff inside of it? Get rid of the plain box and no tissue paper? No. It's not thrilling to open their mystery box, I tell you. But I was really surprised and delighted to open this box from Beautylish. I think this is only my second order from them. And they also personalize it because right up here, they have this graphic, which is to represent the San Francisco Bridge, and I've seen it. It's a beautiful bridge. I've been there. And they say packaged by, and then you get the name of the person, the first name, who actually packaged your product. How neat is that? Touches me. But on the other hand, my friends over at JP, well, let's stop talking trash about them right now because I do like them. And, you know, let's open the box. Let's see what this month holds. Has to be expected. You just get your products in there and some foam. They did wrap up one item this time. Yep, they wrapped up one item. So let's get some glasses on and take a gander. So the first thing, and I'm not surprised, let me tell you right now, because when I checked my email and saw that my package had shipped and I was tracking it, there was an invoice and it said mystery box and it listed the item. Then it says mystery box and it listed the item, and it said mystery box and it listed the item. Who does that? It's supposed to be a mystery box. I'm supposed to be surprised when I open my box. I'm only to know that it's 3 full-size products. I'm not supposed to know what's in the box. So I don't know who's doing that over there at Juvia'S Place. So this isn't a surprise to me. It's just a surprise to you if you haven't ordered one. So the first item I have is the Tribe Highlighting Volume 2 by Juvia'S Place. Now I have one of these that I purchased on my own, and I think it's Volume 1. And I realized when I read the description of this, because they told me what it was, I went on to their site and read about Volume 2 compared to the one I had. And the one I bought is for fairer skin. And I believe this one is for medium or deep skin. So this should be a better match for me than the one I purchased. And I think it is. Yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah. So let's give it a, oh, it's so buttery. Smooth. Yeah, let's look at that on my hand. Now this item, I believe is on sale. I'm going to list everything below. Alrighty, here is volume, actually I have volume 3 already. So here is volume 3. And I don't know what made me buy this one. I didn't know anything about Juvia'S Place when I went shopping for this. But this one is the one I got today, and this is the one I had. This one definitely is better for me. So I am happy to have that, and who knows, I may get volume 1. I may get volume 1 soon, because this is 2. This is 2 that I got today. Okay, now that we're getting that straight, let's reach in the box, my mystery box, and pull out the next item. Ooh, it's the Nubian lip balm. And it's in a different, maybe even different. It may not be the same. Let's see. I don't think I have this. No, I do not. This is the lip balm, and it's in guava. Let's open it up. I don't get a smell. Let's put it on my hand. Oh, it looks peachy. And it's pretty thick. Just gonna take it off here. Don't get much of a smell. Yeah, a little bit of sheen, but really no luster. No real, I don't know if I mean luster, but moisturizing, I think. Not tacky. I can get a faint scent, but I can't identify it. So that's good. I'm glad I got 2 things that I don't have. Yay, we're on a roll. And this is the last item, and I did get an invoice in here. There is a piece of paper telling me, well, let's look at this first, because maybe it has the prices or something on here. Let's see. I doubt it, but oh, it has the prices. So this, just like it listed online, it says the mystery box highlighter volume 2, $7.14. So I can tell you right now, $7.14. And it says the mystery box, the Nubian Glow Balm in guava, $5.71. I hope I got that right. And then the last item, it listed here, and it is worth $7.14 for a total. Did they add it up correctly? Because I know what I paid for it. Anyway, we'll see. I'll add it up at the end. That's my box. Empty, plain old plain. No fluff, no stuff, nothing. No, it's just a plain old box. And the reason why I say that is because they give you a picture online when you go to Juvia'S Place, and it's this pretty box. And it makes you think you're going to get that. Alrighty, guys. Here it is. And this is a cute palette. And I think it's one of the newest ones, and it's on sale already. This is the Olori 1. The words are there. I just can't read them. Let's open this up. The Olori 1. I do not have this palette, and if you ask me, I'm so happy to get it. The Olori 1. And so these items are on sale, because this is not the original price of these items. At least not this palette and not the highlighter. Okay, this is what we're looking like. No mirror on the top, but a pretty graphic picture of a girl, and there are the colors. So I am going to get busy swatching the colors. There are 2 high compact shimmers. There's 1 satin and 3 mattes. All 6 shadows. So let's go ahead. Let's see if there are there? There may be names on here, but names of the shadows, but I can't find them. The writing's not large enough. So let's just go ahead and swatch and call it a day with this. Okie dokie. We're going to hold it this way like it should be held. Okay, feels good. Hey, it looks like a shimmer in the pan, but on my finger it looks like a satin. So here is the first one. One swipe. I think it needs another. There are shimmer flakes in there. Nice. Oh, pretty. I like that. The next one, this is a matte. That's my skin tone, almost a little more yellower. Second swatch of that. It's in the family of my skin tone. And then here we are, another matte. I think we can just swatch that once, it's enough. Pretty. And here we are, 1 second. Intermission. Are you liking it so far? What are you thinking of this palette and everything I got? It's all a keeper this time, right? I don't have any of these items, so I am excited. Okay, let's wipe off my hands. Let's dry my fingers. And we'll do the second row. Starting with this satiny. Oh, it feels so good. Ooh, that feels good. Color. Ooh, it's just this color but better. And then this color here that looks like a periwinkle or some kind of a blue. Gorgeous. Oh, that's my fave. And the last color. Ooh, almost like a persimmon or something. Or paprika. No, it's lighter than a paprika. Oh, we need to do that one again. Because it's over there mostly. I started over there. Pretty. Nice color combos. Very nice. So I read somewhere where Olori means queen in Yoruba, the Nigerian language. One of the Nigerian languages. Because you know there's different tribes in Nigeria. And the Yoruba tribe is one of them. And that is the tribe that my husband belongs to. Because he is from Nigeria. So he is, I call him an African American for sure. For real. The real thing, you know. But anyway, there we are. Nice. I think I like them all. But this one really is gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Yeah. I like them all, but that one just takes the show. It just steals the show, rather. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm not going to do a look today because I do have on some shadows. I had an appointment today. I had to go out. But I wanted to get this box opened and to just see for myself what it was looking like, because I already knew actually what I got. I saw the pictures online because they spoiled it for me. But on the other hand, I'm happy with everything, so it evens out. The wash comes out clean. Alrighty. If you've yet to subscribe to Accessorize Your Life, I invite you to subscribe. And like I said, I'm going to leave the prices on screen so you can see them in case I misquoted a price. And yeah, I'm happy with this month's box. Contents, but not so happy with the box itself. Take note, JP. Take note. Other companies are doing it. I know you've got the corner on beautiful packaging, beautiful graphics, beautiful colors. But spiff up your box a little bit. Make it fun for us to open up. That's my word and I'm sticking to it. Take care. Bye-bye.
in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.